Like easy to put suet cakes and dislike weathers easily wood discoloring. The feeders look lovely and smell good, cedar. They are sturdy and thick. Nice perch for the smaller birds and lots of room for the woodpeckers. Also the rope they hang from is a very thick rubber-like piece that won't shred in inclement weather. I love this duet feeder. I bought 3. These 2 are in our backyard. Many bird types like it just fine. Easy to fill. Gorgeous red cedar. I'm very pleased with the solid construction and the beauty of this bird feeder. My visiting birds will love it. Very good quality. As you can see, a little woodpecker loves it too. This has been very busy right from the start. Catbirds, woodpeckers, flickers, and even brought a pileated woodpecker every evening. Not easy to clean because, well, it holds suet. Roof keeps it out of the weather somewhat. Easy to refill. Click link in description for more reviews.